Okay, we're looking at question 16 here. Want to provide a perspective drawing of each diastereomer of 2R3S123 trichloropentane. Alright. Now each, there's only going to be two. I got two stereocenters, so one of my enantiomers is going to be 2R, one of my diastereomers is going to be 2R3R, the other one will be 2S3S. Alright, but I'm going to figure out both these by first figuring out the structure of 2R3S. Alright, got two stereocenters here and here. Actually, I'm going to do these in different colors so I can identify when I do the priorities, which color I'm dealing with. Alright, so the actual molecule, I'm going to turn into a perspective drawing, put this as a chlorine. So I got a chlorine here and a chlorine here. Got to decide if we have wedges or dashes by actually figuring out the priorities. So on my second position, I have high priority being that carbon, low being a hydrogen. I got a carbon and a carbon. Each are attached to a chlorine, but this carbon's connected to another carbon, giving it the 2, where this is the 3. So over here, I'm going to go from 1 to 2 to 3. That is clockwise. I want it to be clockwise, so I'm going to put the H in the back and the chlorine in the front. Alright, on the third location, have high priority being the chlorine. Second is the carbon with the chlorine on it. Third is the carbon with just a carbon on it, and a hydrogen is the fourth. So I have 1, 2, 3. That is also clockwise, but since I want this one to be S, I'm putting the hydrogen in the front and this chlorine in the back. Alright, so that structure I just drew is 2R3S123 trichloropentane. This will be its first enantiomer. I'm going to leave that, or the first diastereomer. Leave that chlorine in the front, put this chlorine in the front. So reversed that the third location, kept the second location the same. And the other one, leave this one alone, like it was in the original, and switch just that one. And that gets us our two diastereomers of 2R3S123 trichloropentane.